وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
We have sent you forth as nothing but mercy to people of the whole world.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say, it is revealed to me that your God is only one God. Will you then submit to him?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
If they turn away, say to them, I have warned you all alike, and I cannot say whether what you have been promised is near or distant.
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Indeed, he knows what you say loudly and what you hide.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
I think that this reprieve is possibly a trial for you, an opportunity to enjoy yourselves until an appointed time.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
The messenger said, My Lord, judge with truth. Our compassionate Lord alone is our support against your blasphemous utterances.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم.
O mankind, fear the wrath of your Lord. Indeed, the earthquake of the hour of judgment will be an awesome thing.
يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد.
On the day when you witness it, the suckling woman shall utterly neglect the infant she suckles, and every pregnant woman shall cast her burden, and you will see people as though they are drunk when they are not drunk. But dreadful shall be Allah's chastisement.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ويتبع كل شيطان مريد.
Among people there are some who wrangle about Allah without knowledge and follow every rebellious devil.
كتب عليه أنه من تولاه فأنه يضله ويهديه إلى عذاب السعير.
Although it is decreed about him that he shall lead into error whosoever takes him for a friend, and will direct him to the torment of the fire.
أيها الناس إن كنتم في ريب من البعث فإنا خلقناكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم من مضغة مخلقة مخلقة وغير مخلقة لنبين لكم ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج.
O mankind, if you have any doubt concerning resurrection, then know that it is surely we who created you from dust, then from a drop of sperm, then from a clot of blood, then from a little lump of flesh, some of it shapely and other shapeless. We are rehearsing this that we may make the reality clear to you. We cause a drop of sperm that we please to remain in the wombs till an appointed time. We bring you forth as infants and nurture you, that you may come of age. Among you is he that dies at a young age, and he who is kept back to the most abject age, so that after once having known, he reaches a stage when he knows nothing. You see the earth dry and barren, and then no sooner than we send down water upon it, it begins to quiver and swell, and brings forth every kind of beauteous vegetation.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأنه يحيي الموتى وأنه على كل شيء قدير.
All this is because Allah, He is the truth, and because He resurrects the dead, and because He has power over everything.
وأن الساعة آتية لا ريب فيها وأن الله يبعث من في القبور.
All of it shows that the hour shall surely come to pass. In this there's no doubt. And Allah shall surely resurrect those that are in graves.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
And among people are those that wrangle about Allah without knowledge, without any true guidance, and without any scripture to enlighten them.
ثاني عطفه ليضل عن سبيل الله له في الدنيا خزي ونذيقه يوم القيامة عذاب الحريق.
They wrangle arrogantly, intent on leading people astray from the way of Allah. Such shall suffer disgrace in this world, and we shall cause them to taste the chastisement of burning in the next.
ذلك بما قدمت يداك وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
That is the outcome of what your own hands have wrought, for Allah never wrongs His creatures.
ومن الناس من يعبد الله على حرف فإن أصابه خير اطمأن به وإن أصابته فتنة انقلب على وجهه خسر الدنيا والآخرة ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
And among people is he who worships Allah on the borderline. If any good befalls him, he is satisfied. But if a trial afflicts him, he utterly turns away. He will incur the loss of this world and the hereafter. That indeed is a clear loss.
يدعو من دون الله ما لا يضره وما لا ينفعه ذلك هو الضلال البعيد.
He invokes instead of Allah those who can neither harm nor benefit him. That indeed is straying far away.
يدعو لمن ضره أقرب من نفعه لبئس المولى ولبئس العشير.
He invokes those that are more likely to cause him harm than benefit. Such is surely an evil patron and an evil associate.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار إن الله يفعل ما يريد.
In contrast, Allah will assuredly cause those who believe and act righteously to enter gardens beneath which rivers flow. For most certainly, Allah does whatever He pleases.
من كان يظن أن لن ينصره الله في الدنيا والآخرة فليمدد بسبب إلى السماء ثم ليقطع فلينظر هل يذهبن كيده ما يغيظ.
Anyone who fancies that Allah will not support him in this world and in the hereafter, let him reach out to heaven through a rope and then make a hole in the sky and see whether his device can avert that which enrages him.
وكذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات وأن الله يهدي من يريد.
Even so we have revealed the Quran with clear signs. Verily, Allah guides whomsoever He wills.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين والنصارى والمجوس والذين أشركوا إن الله يفصل بينهم يوم القيامة إن الله على كل شيء شهيد.
On the day of resurrection, Allah will most certainly judge among those who believe and those who became Jews and Sabaeans and Christians and Magians and those who associate others with Allah in His divinity. Surely Allah watches over everything.
ألم تر أن الله يسجد له من في السماوات ومن في الأرض والشمس والقمر والنجوم والجبال والشجر والدواب وكثير من الناس وكثير حق عليه العذاب ومن يهن الله فما له من مكرم إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Have you not seen that all those who are in the heavens and all those who are in the earth prostrate themselves before Allah? And so do the sun and the moon, and the stars, and the mountains, and the trees, and the beasts, and so do many human beings, and even many of those who are condemned to chastisement. And he whom Allah humiliates, none can give him honor. Allah does whatever He wills.
هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رؤوسهم الحميم.
These two groups, the believers and unbelievers, are in dispute about their Lord. As for those that disbelieve, garments of fire have been cut out for them. Boiling water shall be poured down over their heads.
يصهر به ما في بطونهم والجلود
causing not only their skins, but all that is in their bellies as well to melt away.
وَلَهُمْ مَقَامِعُ مِنْ حَدِيدٍ.
There shall be maces of iron to lash them.
كُلَّمَا أَرَادُوا أَنْ يَخْرُجُوا مِنْهَا مِنْ غَمٍّ أُعِيدُوا فِيهَا وَذُوقُوا عَذَابَ الْحَرِيقِ.
Whenever they try in their anguish to escape from hell, they will be driven back into it and shall be told, "Now taste the torment of burning."
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
On the other hand, Allah will cause those who believed and acted righteously to enter the gardens beneath which rivers flow. They shall be decked in them with bracelets of gold and pearls, and their raiment shall be of silk.
وهدوا إلى الطيب من القول وهدوا إلى صراط الحميد.
They were guided to accept the pure word. They were guided to the way of the praiseworthy Lord.
إن الذين كفروا ويصدون عن سبيل الله والمسجد الحرام الذي جعلناه للناس سواء العاكف فيه والباد ومن يرد فيه بإلحاد بظلم نذقه من عذاب أليم.
Indeed, those who disbelieve and who now hinder people from the way of Allah and hinder them from the holy mosque which we have set up as a place of worship for all people, equally for those who dwell therein and for those who come from outside, they surely deserve punishment. Whosoever deviates therein from the right way and acts with iniquity, we shall cause him to taste a painful chastisement.
وَإِذْ بَوَّأْنَا لِإِبْرَاهِيمَ مَكَانَ الْبَيْتِ أَلَّا تُشْرِكْ بِي شَيْئًا وَطَهِّرْ بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْقَائِمِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ.
Call to mind when we assigned to Abraham the site of the house Kaaba, directing him, "Do not associate aught with me, and keep my house pure for those who walk around it, and for those who stand, and who bow down, and who prostrate themselves in worship."
وَأَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ يَأْتُوكَ رِجَالًا وَعَلَى كُلِّ ضَامِرٍ يَأْتِينَ مِنْ كُلِّ فَجٍّ عَمِيقٍ.
And publicly proclaim pilgrimage for all mankind, so that they come to you on foot and mounted on lean camels from every distant point.
ليشهدوا منافع لهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فكلوا منها وأطعموا البائس الفقير.
To witness the benefits in store for them and pronounce the name of Allah during the appointed days over the cattle that He has provided them. So eat of it and feed the distressed and the needy.
ثم ليقضوا تفثهم وليوفوا نذورهم وليطوفوا بالبيت العتيق.
Thereafter, let them tidy up and fulfill their vows and circumambulate the ancient house.
ذلك ومن يعظم حرمات الله فهو خير له عند ربه وأحلت لكم الأنعام إلا ما يتلى عليكم فاجتنبوا الرجس من الأوثان واجتنبوا قول الزور.
Such was the purpose of building the Kaaba. Whosoever then venerates Allah's sanctities will find it to be good for him in the sight of his Lord. Cattle have been made lawful for you, except those mentioned to you as unlawful. So shun the abomination of idols and shun all words of falsehood.
حنفاء لله غير مشركين به ومن يشرك بالله فكأنما خر من السماء فتخطفه الطير أو تهوي به الريح في مكان سحيق.
Become exclusively devoted to Allah, ascribing divinity to none other than Him. Whoso ascribes divinity to aught beside Allah, it is as though he fell down from the sky, whereafter either the birds will snatch him away or the wind will sweep him to a distant place, causing him to be shattered to pieces.
ذلك ومن يعظم شعائر الله فإنها من تقوى القلوب.
Such is the fact, and whoso venerates the sanctity of all that have been ordained as symbols of Allah surely does so because it is part of the true piety of the hearts.
لكم فيها منافع إلى أجل مسمى ثم محلها إلى البيت العتيق.
You may derive benefit from sacrificial animals until an appointed time. Thereafter, their place of sacrifice is near the ancient house.
ولكل أمة جعلنا منسكا ليذكروا اسم الله على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فإلهكم إله واحد فله أسلموا وبشر المخبتين.
For every people we have laid down a ritual of sacrifice, although the purpose of the ritual is the same, that they pronounce the name of Allah over the cattle He has provided them. Your Lord is one God, so submit yourselves to Him alone, and give, O Prophet, glad tidings to those that humble themselves before Allah.
الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم والصابرين على ما أصابهم والمقيم الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Whose hearts shiver whenever Allah is mentioned, who patiently bear whatever affliction comes to them, who establish prayer, and who spend for good purposes out of what we have provided them.
والبدن جعلناها لكم من شعائر الله لكم فيها خير فاذكروا اسم الله عليها صواف فإذا وجبت جنوبها فكلوا منها وأطعموا القانع والمعتر كذلك سخرناها لكم لعلكم تشكرون.
We have appointed sacrificial camels among the symbols of devotion to Allah. There's much good in them for you. So make them stand at the time of sacrifice and pronounce the name of Allah over them. And when they fall down on their sides after they are slaughtered, eat and also feed them who do not ask and those who ask. Thus have we subjected these animals that you may give thanks.
لن ينال الله لحومها ولا دماؤها ولكن يناله التقوى منكم كذلك سخرها لكم لتكبروا الله على ما هداكم وبشر المحسنين.
Neither their flesh reaches Allah nor their blood. It is your piety that reaches Him. He has subjected these animals to you that you may magnify Allah for the guidance He has bestowed upon you. Give glad tidings, O Prophet, to those who do good.
إن الله يدافع عن الذين آمنوا إن الله لا يحب كل خوان كفور.
Surely Allah defends those who believe. Certainly Allah has no love for the perfidious, the thankless.
أذن للذين يقاتلون بأنهم ظلموا وإن الله على نصرهم لقدير.
Permission to fight has been granted to those, for they have been wronged. Verily, Allah has the power to help them.
الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم بغير حق إلا أن يقولوا ربنا الله ولولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض لهدمت صوامع وبيع وصلوات ومساجد يذكر فيها اسم الله كثيرا ولينصرن الله من ينصره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
Those who were unjustly expelled from their homes for no other reason than their saying, Allah is our Lord. If Allah were not to repel some through others, monasteries and churches and synagogues and mosques, wherein the name of Allah is much mentioned, would certainly have been pulled down. Allah will most certainly help those who will help Him. Verily, Allah is immensely strong, overwhelmingly mighty.
الذين إن مكناهم في الأرض أقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأمروا بالمعروف ونهوا عن المنكر ولله عاقبة الأمور.
Allah will certainly help those who, were we to bestow authority on them in the land, will establish prayers, render zakah, enjoin good and forbid evil. The end of all matters rests with Allah.
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كَذَّبَتْ قَبْلَهُمْ قَوْمُ نُوحٍ وَعَادٌ وَثَمُودَ.
O Prophet, if they give the lie to you, then before them the people of Noah, Ad, and Thamud also gave the lie to the prophets.
وَقَوْمُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَقَوْمُ لُوطٍ.
And so too did the people of Abraham and the people of Lot.
وأصحاب مدين وكذب موسى فأمليت للكافرين ثم أخذتهم فكيف كان نكير.
And so did the dwellers of Midian, and Moses too was branded a liar. Initially I granted respite to the unbelievers for a while, and then seized them. How dreadful was my punishment.
فكأي من قرية أهلكناها وهي ظالمة فهي خاوية على عروشها وبئر معطلة وقصر مشيد.
How many towns have we destroyed because their people were steeped in iniquity, so they lie fallen down upon their turrets. How many wells lie deserted, and how many towering palaces lie in ruins.
أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فتكون لهم قلوب يعقلون بها أو آذان يسمعون بها فإنها إنها لا تعمى الأبصار ولكن تعمى القلوب التي في الصدور.
Have they not journeyed in the land that their hearts might understand and their ears might listen? For indeed, it is not the eyes that are blinded, it is rather the hearts in the breasts that are rendered blind.
ويستعجلونك بالعذاب ولن يخلف الله وعده وإن يوما عند ربك كألف سنة مما تعدون.
They ask you to hasten the punishment. Allah shall most certainly not fail His promise, but a day with your Lord is as 1,000 years of your reckoning.
وكأي من قرية أمليت لها وهي ظالمة ثم أخذتها وإلي المصير.
How many towns did I respite at first, though they were steeped in iniquity, and then I seized them. To me are all destined to return.
قل يا أيها الناس إنما أنا لكم نذير مبين.
Say, O Muhammad, O people, I have been sent to you only as a plain warner before the doom strikes you.
فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
So those who believe and act righteously shall be granted forgiveness and an honorable sustenance.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
Whereas those who strive against our signs, seeking to profane them, they are the friends of the fire.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول ولا نبي إلا إذا تمنى ألقى الشيطان في أمنيته فينسخ الله ما يلقي الشيطان ثم يحكم الله آياته والله عليم حكيم.
Never did we send a messenger or a prophet before you, O Muhammad, but that whenever he had a desire, Satan interfered with that desire. Allah eradicates the interference of Satan and strengthens his signs. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
ليجعل ما يلقي الشيطان فتنة للذين في قلوبهم مرض والقاسية قلوبهم وإن الظالمين لفي شقاق بعيد.
He does this in order that he may make the evil caused by Satan a trial for those in whose hearts there's sickness of hypocrisy, whose hearts are hard and vitiated. Surely these wrongdoers have gone too far in their dissension.
وليعلم الذين أوتوا العلم أنه الحق من ربك فيؤمنوا به فتخبت له قلوبهم وإن الله لهادي الذين آمنوا إلى صراط مستقيم.
He does this in order that those endowed with knowledge may know that it is the truth from your Lord, and that they may have faith in it, and their hearts may humble themselves before Him. Verily, Allah always directs those that believe to the right way.
ولا يزال الذين كفروا في مرية منه حتى تأتيهم الساعة بغتة أو يأتيهم عذاب يوم عقيم.
The unbelievers will not cease to be in doubt about it until the hour suddenly comes upon them, or the chastisement of an ominous day overtakes them.
الملك يومئذ لله يحكم بينهم فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم.
On that day, all sovereignty shall be Allah's, and He will judge among them. Then those who believed and acted righteously shall be in gardens of bliss.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا فأولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
A humiliating chastisement awaits those who disbelieved and denied our signs.
والذين هاجروا في سبيل الله ثم قتلوا أو ماتوا ليرزقنهم الله رزقا حسنا وإن الله لهو خير الرازقين.
As for those who migrated in the way of Allah, whereafter they were slain or died, Allah will certainly grant them a goodly provision. Indeed, Allah is the best of all those who provide.
لَيُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ مُدْخَلًا يَرْضَوْنَهُ وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَعَلِيمٌ حَلِيمٌ.
He will surely admit them to a resort which will please them. Most certainly, Allah is all-knowing, most forbearing.
ذلك ومن عاقب بمثل ما عوقب به ثم بغي عليه لينصرنه الله إن الله لعفو غفور.
That indeed is so. As for him who retaliates in proportion to the excesses committed against him and is thereafter again subjected to transgression, Allah will surely aid him. Verily, Allah is all pardoning, all forgiving.
ذلك بأن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وأن الله سميع بصير.
So shall it be, because it is Allah who causes the night to emerge out of the day and causes the day to emerge out of the night. And Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه هو الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
So shall it be because Allah, He is the truth, and all whom they invoke instead of Him are false. Allah is most high, all great.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة إن الله لطيف خبير.
Do you not see that Allah sends down water from the sky, whereby the earth turns green? Verily, Allah is subtle, all aware.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن الله لهو الغني الحميد.
To Him belongs all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth. Surely, Allah, He alone is self-sufficient, praiseworthy.
ألم تر أن الله سخر لكم ما في الأرض والفلك تجري في البحر بأمره ويمسك السماء أن تقع على الأرض إلا بإذنه إن الله بالناس لرؤوف رحيم.
Have you not seen how Allah has subjected to you all that is in the earth, and the vessels that sail in the sea by His command? And it is He who holds back the sky, that it may not fall on earth, except by His leave. Surely Allah is most gentle, ever compassionate to people.
وهو الذي أحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم إن الإنسان لكفور.
And it is He who has endowed you with life, and it is He who causes you to die, and it is He who will then resurrect you. Man is indeed extremely prone to denying the truth.
لكل أمة جعلنا منسكا هم ناسكوه فلا ينازعنك في الأمر وادع إلى ربك إنك لعلى هدى مستقيم.
For every people we have prescribed a way of worship which they follow. So, O Muhammad, let them not dispute with you concerning this, and call them to your Lord. You are certainly on the straight way.
وَإِن جَادَلُوكَ فَقُلِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And if they dispute with you, say, Allah knows well what you do.
الله يحكم بينكم يوم القيامة فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Allah will judge among you on the day of resurrection concerning matters about which you disagreed.
ألم تعلم أن الله يعلم ما في السماء والأرض إن ذلك في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Are you not aware that Allah knows all that is in the heaven and the earth? Surely it is all preserved in a book. Indeed, that is easy with Allah.
وَيَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يُنَزِّلْ بِهِ سُلْطَانًا وَمَا لَيْسَ لَهُم بِهِ عِلْمٌ وَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِن نَّصِيرٍ.
Instead of Allah, they worship those concerning whom He has revealed no sanction, and concerning whom they have no true knowledge. None shall be able to help such evildoers.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ تَعْرِفُ فِي وُجُوهِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا الْمُنكَرَ يَكَادُونَ يَسْطُونَ بِالَّذِينَ يَتْلُونَ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِنَا قُلْ أَفَأُنَبِّئُكُم بِشَرٍّ مِّن ذَلِكُمْ النار وعدها الله الذين كفروا وبئس المصير.
When our signs are plainly recited to them, you will perceive utter repugnance on their faces, and it all but seems as if they will soon pounce upon those who recite our signs to them. Say, shall I tell you what is worse than that? The fire with which Allah has threatened those who disbelieve, that is truly an evil end.
يا أيها الناس ضرب مثل فاستمعوا له إن الذين تدعون من دون الله لن يخلقوا ذبابا ولو اجتمعوا له وإن يسلبهم الذباب شيئا لا يستنقذوه منه ضعف الطالب والمطلوب.
O people, a parable is set forth. Pay heed to it. Those who call upon aught other than Allah shall never be able to create even a fly, even if all of them were to come together to do that. And if the fly were to snatch away anything from them, they would not be able to recover that from it. Powerless is the supplicant, and powerless is he to whom he supplicates.
ما قدر الله حق قدره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
They have not formed a true estimate of Allah. Indeed, Allah is all-powerful, almighty.
الله يصطفي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah chooses messengers from among angels and from among human beings to convey His command. Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
He knows all that is before them and that which is hidden from them, and it is to Allah that all affairs are returned.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اركعوا واسجدوا واعبدوا ربكم وافعلوا الخير لعلكم تفلحون.
Believers, bow down and prostrate yourselves before your Lord, and serve your Lord, and do good that you may prosper.
وجاهدوا في الله حق جهاده هو اجتباكم وما جعل عليكم في الدين من حرج ملة أبيكم إبراهيم هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا ليكون الرسول شهيدا عليكم وتكونوا شهداء على الناس فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واعتصموا بالله هو مولاكم فنعم المولى ونعم النصير.
Strive in the cause of Allah in a manner worthy of that striving. He has chosen you for His task, and He has not laid upon you any hardship in religion. Keep to the faith of your father Abraham. Allah named you Muslims earlier and even in this book, that the messenger may be a witness over you, and that you may be witnesses over all mankind. So establish prayer and pay zakah and hold fast to Allah. He is your protector. What an excellent protector! What an excellent helper!